Hi Shruti, first of all, welcome to Delhi. We have already seen your incredible work in some of the movies, and recently we saw your series Hira Mandi. We really loved it. What's next?
Uh, so lots that we've been working on. Love and War. Then there is Mr. Prakash Jha's next movie, Janadesh. You'll get to see some fresh talent there. Then Mr. Bansali's Love and War. Then we are doing a series for Balaji, which is with Netflix. Also a film with Balaji for Ekta Kapoor. And it's a hit franchisee. So we are excited to, there's lots coming.
You have mentioned some of the big names in Bollywood as well as in TV industry, like Ekta Kapoor. You have worked with all of them. Which one was, if you would like to pick anyone, who would be and why?
This is a very tough question. It's like asking a mother, आपका प्यारा बच्चा favorite बच्चा कौन है?
Still, there is a favorite.
No, so I think favorite is something. With every film, there's a different experience, and I think that stays back, and that becomes your favorite.
And today you are here for Jagran Film Festival. What do you think about it, and how important it is to have such kind of events? What kind of impact does it leave to the people? And
I
the
think it's
teenagers?
very important to have these festivals also because it's a moving festival. So you're also nurturing, you're tapping, and you're giving a chance to an opportunity to actors, budding talent across the country, and especially the small towns. People don't get enough opportunities there. I think that is something is commendable that I would definitely like to give the organizers a big hand for.
Okay. My last question would be that how do you find a certain person that's just seeing in their eyes that he or she is capable of doing what you have thought of?
सो कानून और कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स के हाथ बहुत लंबे होते हैं मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ विद एक्सपीरियंस विद एवरी फिल्म आई थिंक इट्स ऑल्सो इंट्यूटिव एंड इट जस्ट हैपन्स ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम और कभी किसी इंसान की आँख में कमाल होता है किसी की बात में
Yes.
एक लहजा आपका बोलने का दैट स्टेज बैक समटाइम्स इट्स द पर्सनालिटी एंड ऑरा विच इज़ कॉल्ड द एक्स फैक्टर और वो एक्स फैक्टर कभी बताया नहीं जाता वो सिर्फ महसूस किया जाता है
ठीक है, thank you.